From the basics question, we move to very advanced question, very hard. So for each question in this video, I think you should focus on the working out. How can I working out for each question? Yeah, the first one you have write in the index form and simplify. Question A, you got two terms. The first term is x and the second term is the square root of x. The first term you got x is mean 1 x to power of 1, and the second one you got square root of x is mean 1 over 2 for the power number. After that you got the multiplication between indices is mean the power number have to be added together by this one, and then you will have x to power of 3 over 2 here, and then for this writing you have to convert that become to the index form and simplify it. Yeah, after that you have to simplify it. So for this one I can rewrite it like square root of x cubed here, yeah, index form, and then you can simplify by this one. Okay, for question B, you got the division between two indices. The first one you got x square root of x, and then you divide by x here. The first term square root of x is mean 1 over 2. Divide by x is mean x to power of 1. So for this writing, you got the difference of the fraction of the power number. The difference of the power number minus 1 over 2 minus 1 is mean x to power of minus 1 over 2. So I don't need to work with negative indices like here. So I will convert this become to x to power of 1 over 2 by this writing. And then it's very easy for recognize that you got 1 over square root of x by this one. Okay, so move to the question C. How can you work with section C? You got x to power of 1 divided by x to power of 1 over 3. So here is the difference between the power number. 1 minus 1 over 3 is mean x to power of 2 over 3 is mean q root of x squared like this one, yeah. So question D, about question D, you will have the division x squared divided by 3 q root of x. So for x squared here, I convert q root become to x to power of 1 over 3. Here you got x to minus 1 over 3. This will become to 5 over 3. So for this writing, I can rewrite it like the q root of x to power of 5. Yes. And about question E, you got x multiplied with 4 root x here. The first term x to power of 1. The second term you got x to power of 1 over 4. After that you got x to power of 5 over 4. It means 4 root and x to power of 5 inside the 4 root signal. Yes, we finished this question. Question 5. Move to question 6. How many questions? Okay, only have 5 questions for this one. What is the question asked about? You have to write without fractional or negative indices. Okay, this is negative indices, so I need to convert from the denominator, from the numerator become to the denominator, or the shortened way is take reciprocal. So the reciprocal of this one, you got 1 over a minus 2b, and here you got 1 over 3. This means 1 over q root of a minus 2b. And for question B, minus 2 over 3 is mean 1 over y minus 3 and 2 over 3 by this writing. And after that you can convert this become to the q root inside the bracket y minus 3, and you got square outside. Yes, that is the question B. The next question you got C. One more time, but I'm just apply take reciprocal for the expression inside the bracket only. 1 over 6a plus 1 and 4 over 7 here. You got 4a plus 1 and you got 4 will be here. You got 4 will be here. Yes, I think that is the correct answer. Okay, so for this writing. Okay, of course. Question D. About question D, negative here, 3 here, but I can separate 1 over 3 outside this expression for easy understanding. Just like this one. Okay, so 1 over 3 we multiply the receipt x and the outside will be 5 over 4. So for here 1 over 3 and 1 over 4 square root of x plus y to power of 5 here. Question E, you got 6 over 7 times 3x plus 8, negative 2 over 9, negative 2 over 9, 6 over 7, 1 over 3x plus 8, not negative anymore, 2 over 9. 6 over 7 is a constant number, so I just repeat that. And now you got over 9 is mean 9 root, and the bracket inside you will take square 2 outside this bracket. So here is the way how can I write down my working out and the final answer. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope you can understand that. See you next time. Bye bye.